What is that?
Guys, and today,
What's that?
what's up, guys? And today we're gonna be doing a hand cannon battle. So
Let's
we're
go,
gonna be
baby.
fighting with the Monarch pistol. So yeah.
That makes
So we're
sense.
doing 3 lives each. If you die 3 times, you're out,
No.
and
It
the
got
winner
chained
gets bragging rights.
trailer.
Shall we get into it?
Got that. Let's go.
Wait, we get
That's why we
tickets,
have
right?
Sean tell us the full night law.
Maybe.
Alright.
So
Head down to the battlefield.
we can only take one Monarch pistol, guys.
Yeah, every time you die, you get one more.
Where are you guys?
I'm scared.
I'm stuck. I have a glitch. Help me.
Just mark where you are.
Whoa!
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Oh my god.
I saw you.
I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck.
I saw you.
I'm stuck. I can't man.
Where's Dino?
I hit somebody. I hit somebody. I hit somebody. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I can't even see.
Why you're glitched? Wait, did he hit you, Dino?
Huh?
Did he
No
hit
way I
you?
died. I lost my second life
Yeah, I
already.
just killed him.
I lost
I
my
killed
second life
somebody.
already.
That's your second time dying?
No,
Yeah.
no. That was my
No, first
dying.
time. That's his first time
Oh.
dying.
I said I'm on my second life.
You said that was just
No.
okay, whatever.
This is bad. This is bad. Help me. Guys. Gotta give me the strat.
I'm scared.
Get the strat, guys. I got the strat, guys. See this? You see where I'm at? I'm going.
I think I'm
slowly.
John, no! I told you, they got the stupid mythics. The rockets are so annoying.
I'm coming.
Are you
I'm
guys? This map is huge.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh.
Jason, don't come. There's 3 people.
Let me free now. Let me free now.
No.
Let me free now.
Let's go.
Did Dino kill you?
360.
Dino's too good, bro.
I do not.
I'm free. I escaped. You guys will just fight. Oh, I'm back
Dino's
stuck.
too
I'm
good.
stuck.
So me and Shadow.
No, I'm too good.
I feel like my brother wants to marry one.
Wait, Dino still has one. Wait, we got a team, maybe. We got a team.
No. Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah, I go see Sean.
I'm stuck in here. Let me free. When you see my footage, bro, you're gonna be like, where am I, bro? Where is he, bro? You don't know what I was been through.
Where was stupid, oh yeah.
Let me free. I want to be free.
No.
Without dying. I found my dead body.
You're literally not live.
Are you on your last life?
It was up there,
Kingdom?
wasn't it?
No?
We're all on our second life.
Let's go! Wait, who's shooting?
Wait, who
Who's
built
who?
it?
I don't
Who
know.
built? Someone built.
What?
Who did?
Somebody built?
I didn't build.
Cheeto.
I didn't build.
They're
this
Cheetos.
time.
I don't know who.
Oh yeah, they got it.
It's probably at the intro. Someone did and then it saved.
I think that's Shadow.
I wish they could do. I wish we.
Bro, you know when I was stuck, bro, you gotta put that in the video. That was crazy what I just.
That's the mono.
Oh, it is Shadow.
Where in the world are you? I'm scared.
Where's my boy?
Wait, let me see something. How much does this do in the head?
Like 78.
Your aunt.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'm scared.
A secret skin?
Where is he? I hear Dino, I think.
No.
Dino! Oh my god, I need siphon.
Shadow got me good. I didn't headshot him like
Dino.
that.
Dino's on his last life. Nah, this is okay. Dino's on his last
That's
life.
crazy.
No way. I just clipped him. I clipped him so hard.
Someone has seen me.
Help. I didn't mean to.
I
Are
can
you
barely
sweating?
see you.
You might have-
Pepper.
If you die,
Since he's our biggest threat, cause I'm low right now, you mind doing a little, not hitting you?
if you die, I will be the.
I can't wait for
Are you the?
I can't
What
see.
is
I can't
happening,
see
bro?
any. I can't see Mbappe. His kicks was like hidden well.
But can we break the building?
I got
You can
how much
sometimes,
V-Bucks do
yeah.
you get from each battle pass again? Like 1,200.
I hate one. Oh my god, they're so
Oh,
low. Those
Dino!
Wait, what?
What the? Who did that?
Who did that?
I didn't do that this
Oh
time.
my god,
I didn't start it. I did not
think
start it.
Dino.
Oh no, it's a what's it called? There's a
Technical
timer.
difficulties?
There's a timer.
Are we still recording this?
Yeah.
Like, are we still right now?
Alright, so
Oh,
Dino
yeah.
has 1 life. Dino has 1 life, and then me and
I have
You
2.
guys have two.
Should we team up? Should we ban them, bro? Should we eliminate them? Oh my god, I almost got
I'm
myself.
shooting the
stuck
first
again.
person I see. 74?
Same.
Dead!
What?
GG, Dino.
Yeah, what's gonna be OG?
Wait, he's gone?
No, my life.
You
Yeah.
gotta leave. You gotta go back to the lobby.
No, leave her
You
shadow.
got what?
Winner
Mm.
takes all. Or winner. Who's
Why
Winner
is
takes
one
all.
of the most popular skins? Mine was that.
Is we're fighting to the death, bro.
Yeah, then why'd you say you were gonna return to
Oh.
Oh my goodness, I found something.
No, I said Dino has to.
No, he can. Wait, can you go to spectator mode or something, Dino?
No,
No.
he can't spectate. I tried. See my spectate button.
Yeah,
Just run in the open and troll him.
Wait, am I 1v1 in you right now?
Yeah, shouldn't he like sell his own?
It's
Leave
only
your shadow.
Like,
Should we bump
That's me. That's me. That's me.
One
I will
life?
shoot you.
alright.
Yeah, you wanna bump it down to 1 life?
No.
I bet.
How about no, Sean? Oh, Sean, wait, I was kidding.
1 life.
I'm 1 shot. 1 life? No, let me die. Let me
No,
die, please.
no.
So we both 1 HP.
That's your fault.
I got my gun.
Bro,
He
why
died.
would you kill him, Dino?
Cause he killed me.
Dino, you're not even supposed
No,
to
now you
be.
gave him health, bro.
No, wait.
Yeah, because that doesn't count. Let's go. I'm in.
Wait.
We both have
Wait.
1. Alright, we both
No,
have 1.
2 lives.
We're counting it down to 1.
Since you gotta
That's
no,
Dino.
no, 2
Yeah.
lives.
What?
Since
Two
you
lives.
respawn.
Fine, we're both at 2 lives. Dino, just
No.
leave. Go back to lobby,
No.
Dino.
No. If he goes back
I
to
don't want him
lobby,
to
then
ask
this
me.
map will
I don't
just
want him to kill me
disintegrate.
again.
He's the
Yeah, that
map
don't
leader,
kill me
bro.
this time. I told
You probably would
you.
have won if you had all three.
I don't know
Don't
if that.
kill me.
Oh, I think
By the
that's
way,
Dino.
headshots do 139.
You would have.
Your
That's
glider
me.
scared me, bro.
Dino's
Headshots
glider.
do 139.
I saw that glider, bro. I'm close.
I know exactly where both of you are.
It should leave, honestly.
Like my hiding spot, Dino? Can you find me? Can you find me, Dino?
There's a guy coming.
No! No way! I sold! No!
Who's gonna win?
Knocked. I knocked.
No!
Oh, I saw one guy.
I hit him. Let's go.
Don't shoot at me. I'm behind you, Dino. Don't shoot at me.
BLB.
Yeah, I know.
I'm just chilling. Oh my god. No way I got that. I'm gonna win the tournament. Let's go. Go win
Tournament?
the most hosted tournament. I'm joking, bro. Come on.
We don't even
I'm
have
gonna
our
get.
full
Don't
squad.
get them.
There's
I'm
one
still
more.
low. I'm at 47.
It's a secret, guys.
He's a mystery hero.
I'm the one in let him in.
Oh my god, yes.
Wait, where are you, bro? Where are you? You.
What do you mean we're
I'm gonna see one pixel of you and I'm shooting it.
It's so
This map is too big, bro. This map is too big. I'm gonna come for it.
Come on, Sean.
Oh, you're so close, bro. You're so close to me.
Where
Nice
are
lads. Yeah, where are you, bro? I'm just traveling the map. Is that you?
Okay.
That's not you. That was. Are you here, bro?
Did you leave?
Oh, what? Oh. I know, but
It's only enough for one of us. It's not enough for two of us. Okay.
Totally. Like you didn't just say the
Where
map.
are you? I traveled the whole map in circles already.
No, you didn't.
Where are these guys?
You did not go here.
Yeah, exactly. I only go
Guys, we have technical difficulties. We have technical difficulties.
Again.
Again.
Play again. Press play again.
Alright, so you have one, we have two. Oh, and
That's
I have two.
Wait, let
lives.
me hit you once, because that's not fair. You just regen. Let me hit you once.
No, I was 57. You're going to do too much damage.
No, I hit you for 44. I'm shooting right now.
I see you. I see you. I'm right here. I'm right here. Other there. Outside. Shoot me once. Shoot me like in the toes.
Oh, where
Shoot me in
are
the toes. Right here. Shoot me in the toes. Oh, no, you made me too low. Fine. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Hit me too low. Too much, bro. I'm too low. It's not good.
Yeah, but anyways, 2 shots and you're probably cooked, so like.
I have 2, bro. You have 1. I just got to do like 1 inch of damage to you, bro, and you're dead. Won my second life.
Where are you, Shadow?
I Captain America shield with the jetpack is so overpowered. Honestly, like all of it, it's so overpowered.
No, that's horrible. That's horrible.
I did not know you were there.
No, you
Where
did.
are you? I don't even know where you went.
That's horrible,
I
bro.
got my X-Men sword.
No, that's not fair.
Let's go! I won!
You spawned right there.
Guys, that is the end of the video. I guess we won, bro. That was 12 minutes.
GG's,
No,
boys.
nah.
GG.
GG's, bro. Let's go. And then Numble, if you want to join our
Clan,
if you want to join the
add
Superbros,
me,
you
add
must
me,
just
add Shadow or add Dino, and make sure to keep out for that YouTube video where we introduce the new
And
mystery
let's-
players.
and
Alright.
also our YouTube channels will be in the description below.
And we'll see you guys next time. Peace.